we are from DKA 1A. We are going to present about our mini project in subject science DBS 10012. The title of our mini project is about automatic home system. Our lecturer name is Miss Siti Shazwani binti Ilmin. Before we want to present about our mini project, we want to introduce ourselves. My name is Nurnaja Nabila binti Rajuni. My matric number is 01 DKA 21F 2019.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurpuja Nabila binti Saad. My matric number is 01 DKA 21F 2013.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Hanana Mashita binti M. Zahari and my matric number is 01 DKA 21F 2022.
Description for first is related to the alarm system and automatic door system. Second is automatic door system require a sensor that detect when the door need to open. Last one, alarm system place an activated function when all detectors start operating in the existing condition.
The objective of this mini project is automatic door system designed to detect instruction like unauthorized entry into a building. Moreover, the safety alarm system can make it easier entrance and assist monitoring to people who coming in and out their premise. The safety alarm will detect when the door open. When there is no object in front of the door, the alarm will make noise.
The material and cost is Arduino Uno, breadboard, jumper wires, buzzer, LED light, resistor RM RM1 ultrasonic sensor, box, color paper RM1 8 pieces, glue gum RM1 sellotape RM8 pieces, factory RM1 30 cents, 3D wood wall sticker RM2 and scissor. The total of the materials and cost is RM6.19. Last but not least, we had discovered this automatic door system and alarm system work successfully at the end of this project. Second is we get more knowledge about this automatic home system such as automatic door and safety alarm. Lastly is in the nutshell, this project worked very well and successfully, achieve our objective about automatic home system. This is our project. As you guys can see on this video, we decide to do the automatic door system and alarm system. From this video, the door will open automatically when they have something in front of the sensor that will detect the object. Also, when the door opens, the alarm will sound automatically. This can prevent thieves from entering the house because the alarm will sound by itself. From this video, the kinetic energy of object is the energy that it possesses due to its motions. As you guys see, the door will open when they have something in front or pressing of the sensor.